Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Earl, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I like to meal prep. This method is amazing. Not only are you going to be able to make hundreds of dishes with this basic foundation, but it's going to make your job so much easier in the kitchen, and it's what I like to do for my own family. So we're going to start with Savory Butcher, beautiful fresh chicken breasts, and you can buy those at the link down below this video, but this is what I use. I'm going to actually dice them up on a medium dice, and then I'm going to add my favorite vegetables. Now, I'm not going to get crazy with spices because I'm not actually creating a specific dish, right? I'm just going to use salt and pepper, and I churned up some butter today, so we're going to be cooking it right here. But I'm going to show you how I get everything set so that you can meal prep to make chicken marsala, Asian chicken, chicken tacos, chicken casserole, chicken salad, chicken hors d'oeuvres, anything chicken. You're going to be able to do it with this simple method. So we're going to get started right now, and I'm going to grab one of these beautiful Savory Butcher chicken breasts, and here we go. We're going to go into prep. All right, so you're seeing what I'm doing right now. I'm chopping up the chicken. I'm not getting crazy with it. I'm just doing normal size cubes like this. And there's gonna be a reason that I'll explain in a little bit. But if you also look down in the pan, I added some home churned butter. Now, as this goes, I'm gonna end up throwing in some Himalayan sea salt, pink sea salt, and coarse ground pepper. That's all I'm doing for seasonings. And then you're gonna see all of this stuff coming in. But let's go back to prepping chicken. All right, so if you look down here in the pot, I've actually chopped up 5 pounds of chicken. Now, when I portion this out, you're gonna see that I take the Savory Butcher chicken and I figure between a half a cup and a full cup per serving, depending on what I'm going to be making. So if in a family of 4, sometimes you're gonna wanna go about a half cup, sometimes you're gonna wanna go a full cup. So after we get this all cooled and stuff, you'll see me portioning it. But now we're gonna go into the vegetables, so watch this. Oh, before we do that, let's clean this up. All right, here we go. Let's get on with the garlic. Garlic, I get these pre-peeled ones. Garlic's kind of a pain in the butt unless you take and you know how to do the whole bowl thing. But for this purpose, I'm just gonna take 6 medium cloves of garlic. Here, I'm gonna smash them, chop them up, throw them into chicken. I haven't seasoned it yet. I got the chicken running low and slow, and it's gonna stay that way the whole way through. But we're gonna kind of give this a smash. Hey, so you've been watching me cut these peppers. That's a really cool trick, just running down the seams, breaking them apart. You also notice that I cut out these little veins, these little membranes. Those things have a tendency to get bitter. I still haven't seasoned this. I've got it running low and slow. We're gonna chop this up, throw in some onion, then I'm gonna hit it with the seasoning, and I'll see you in a second. All right, so we got the peppers going, green, red, yellow. Oh, and the garlic. I'm literally seasoning my chicken with vegetables and letting that slow cook in. The last thing is I'm gonna throw in some Walla Walla sweets and hit it with the salt and pepper, mix it up in that fresh churned butter, and we're gonna go from there. So I literally used 2 pounds of coarse, 2 pounds, that would be peppery. 2 tablespoons of coarse ground black pepper and 2 tablespoons of pink Himalayan sea salt. That's all I put in there. And look at my area here. You know what, if it ain't messy, it ain't good. We are gonna slow cook this on down for a while. Oh my gosh, that smell is amazing. Chicken's starting to cook. Beautiful colors. And now we play the waiting game. I'll see you guys here soon. Okay, so our chicken stock has been cooking for, if you look in here, for about an hour, hour and a half. That's 5 pounds of chicken with veggies and all the goodness. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and I'm gonna pour it out into this tray, juice and all, because I wanna let that start cooling. And then I'll see you back here in a few minutes and I'll show you how we package it up. All right, you guys, welcome back to Earl's Kitchen. We have our chicken base done, set, and ready to rock and roll. I've got Shelly here ready to assist me. Say hi, Shelly.
Hi.
So I've done the bags up and I've separated them. I have a 4-cup bag and a 2-cup bag. And the reason is if I want to make a pasta or a stroganoff or something like that, I'm probably going to use 4 cups in this one. And if I want to make something simple like beer rocks in another video, which you can see down below, I'll use a 2-cup bag. But we're going to go ahead and just start pulling this out. We've let it cool down so it's a little easier to work with. I just let it cool to room temperature. So we're going to go, what do we got there, Shelly?
We have a 4-cup.
Okay. Remember, you guys, if it isn't messy, it's not good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And don't worry about the juice. And you can just take and put that right in the freezer. Let's do a 2-cup one here, Shirley.
Alrighty.
So if you want to make hors d'oeuvres or something like that, you're going to see some video links down below to some of the other recipes. You'll use a 2-cup where you're not trying to make just quite as much, or maybe you're making chicken tacos for just 2 people. This is going to be just the right amount. 2 cups will make about 4 medium-sized tacos. And I think we're going to go, let's go 2-cup again.
All right.
One, and I think we're going to probably finish her off. We're going to go 2 cups plus on this one, Shelley. Right. We might actually change the label and make it look like it's 3. We'll just change the label over to 3 cups. I just don't want to lose any of this goodness. This will be a good bag right here. So if you had a 40-pound case of this, you know what? I think we're going to get away with the 4-cup. What do you think? We'll just change that over to, say, in 4-cup. Man, this is good broth. If you want to make chicken soup, just boil up some noodles. Yeah, we're going to pour it in. Boil up some noodles. Throw that in with that, and you've got an awesome homemade chicken noodle soup. So if you had 40 pounds of chicken, you can make as much as you want or as little as you want. We just did it with 5 pounds today, but this is exactly how we do it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time here on Earl's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.